Ever wondered why this specific chocolate bar tastes different in other countries? We are diving deep into the surprising history of the original Nestle Crunch. Introduced in the United States in 1937 and officially launched in 1938, this bar was created by Nestle's R&D team to use up excess puffed rice from their factory production. The original recipe consisted simply of a milk chocolate bar loaded with crispy, puffed rice pieces, selling for just 5 cents before gaining massive popularity among consumers. Marketing played a huge role, featuring memorable slogans like "Music to Your Mouth" and the famous jingle from the 1980s asking why you love Nestle Crunch. While it was sold exclusively in the US until the 1990s, today global production is handled by Nestle except in the United States, where a licensed version exists. You might notice the bar has gotten smaller over time. Advertisements from 1984 show a significantly larger candy bar than the standard variant found in stores today. Despite size changes and trademark filings in 2017, the Crunch remains a cultural icon with an arch nemesis known as the Crackle Bar for its similar crunchy texture. So there you have it. A simple way to use up excess rice became a global snack sensation. What is your favorite childhood chocolate bar? Let me know in the comments.